So today, guys, I want to take a look at these two different sets from ARES. They are non-marring pick and pry bars, and I got these recently from Amazon. Here you see item 10033, and it was $14.96. Here is the item 16003, and it was $15.02. The country of origin for both of these is Taiwan. So let's take a look at those. This is the set 10033. And then this is the set 16003. Some of these may appear to be similar, but they do have little nuances that are different in the way they are constructed and the curves and certain things that they have implemented into them. And here's an example. They both have the same curve tip-wise, but underneath have a different construction. The handles are a little bit different too. Now the reason I got these help protect fasteners. If you're doing any prying, you're picking. They're good for O-rings, seals, gaskets, automotive trim, electronic applications, and they have a very ergonomic contoured handle design. Here's an example. On the left rear of my inside of my tailgate, there's a little access cover, and so you don't want to mar anything, and it's got a very tiny access point here, so I would use this small, get in there behind it, and then gently pry it out, just like that, and it reveals a bolt. And so there's one on each side, so that would be for taking off this panel here, the side panel of the car. So that's just one reason why you want a tool that would not damage the paint when you get in there to pull it off. And here's the cover. Now I did decide to buy both sets because, as you can see, the ends are varied. You never know what job you're going to have that may require something different, and it's always nice to have in your toolbox that tool when you need it. I think this would be a great set to have for the do-it-yourselfer to have in your toolbox.